Good morning, everyone. Let's now come to online classes. So now computer for sixth class students, computer subject. So computer subject first lesson was internet and email. So sixth class students now come to internet. Now come to computer class first lesson internet and email. So what is the internet? Internet is a internet stands for the interconnection to networks. Interconnection to networks. It is a group of the computers. The group of the computers connecting to the each others. Either each one to another one. These are the computers are either connections or with wire or wireless to computers. Both of the two computers connecting to one connecting to one computer to another computers, information sharing, that's information sharing to the one of the access the internet, one of the access the internet. So in the internet is a simply net is a connection of the network. It can such a hawk of the collection of the information and computers are computer together. The internet is such as the simple of the very simple of the access to the any information. So nowadays present days and the every person is depend on the internet access and computers. In the any if you want any information is depend on Chrome or any, so depend on internet access. So is a internet is the first. Who is the father of the internet? So who is the father of internet? Tim Berners-Lee. Tim Berners. Tim Tim Berners Berners-Lee is the father of the internet. Who is the father of the internet? Father of the internet, Tim Berners-Lee is the person, is the internet access is the discovered or father of the web. So in the internet is a features of the internet, first one. So what is the features of the internet? Features of the internet. So features of the internet is a very useful to us. Internet is a very useful to us. Is less of the connection, it is less computers of many of such together, and the computers where are there in the world, both of two computers, one computer in the your village, so another computer is anywhere, but both of the computers of information sharing, that's one internet access is depend. Internet access is any two computers of connection to the over internet. The send of receive of kinds of information. Receive any kinds of the information such as any kinds of information such as text or videos or graphics or any songs or any audios or any pictures. Any all of the collections are there including in the internet access. As now is any information, if you want could any information or any of the extremely of the depend on the internet access. Now present days of the as a mainly features of every person is a depend on the some of the internet access. Every person in the first one is a features of the internet. Features of the internet is the first one is of watching movies. First one, watching. We can watching movies on to the internet. If you want any movie, new movies or any old movie, if you want movie, just go to internet access. If you want which movie are they selected here, that's one was the movie. Next one, we can it can send the messages through the email access. Some messages, some of the information messages, some of the any of other of the person of sending messages, that's one used to the email access. That's one messaging to the sent to other peoples. Next, second feature. Third one, chatting. Is both of the peoples, your friends or your relatives or anywhere persons, but both are they talking each other. If you want, what about you talking, what about you understanding in the some of the any of the information chatting. Hi friends, how are you, or how are you, that's the same of the reply your friend. That's one access to the chatting or the information is a good of the message through the you can of the friends or any relatives persons. Any relative persons is the chatting. Next one, booking tickets. Next feature, the most important of the persons are the features of the internet access. In if you want before people's some of the booking your tickets and before occupy your places or any cinema hall or any shopping complex are there. Next one, if you want booking the ticket, first one, if you want booking to the tickets, railway tickets, air tickets, movie tickets, and some of Venkateswara Tirumala Darshan tickets are before the booking before the paper. Next one, searching information. Next one, searching information. So if you want any information, you do not know some of the information. For example, you do not know what is an email, you do not know WhatsApp, you do not know Facebook, but how to Facebook use. That person is searching information in internet access. In the searching information. Next one, shopping. Every person is the present days or the in home. If you want to the purchasing some of the commodities, any commodities or any things, or if you want it at home in the online shopping. So if you want some of list again, or some persons are online shopping are different. Mobile phones are TVs, fridges, your clothes, and anywhere, or also maybe vegetables also present days are the shopping in online access. In the online access, some of the goods access, Flipkart, etc. Some of the companies access to the online shopping, and then the features of the internet now a present days as the every person is depend on the internet access, because in the at home, because why the save of money and save of the time and save of at home, and every person is internet access is nowadays in depend. So some of the features, mostly features, watching movies, messaging, chatting, booking tickets, and searching of information, and shopping, and the shopping in the every person in the internet access. Some of the features, mostly some of the other than so many of the features in internet, what is their any information like that. Next one, as next one is if you want internet, if you access to internet. So if you want internet, that's one some of the requirements. If you want some of the requirements, if you want, so if you are used to internet, that's one some of the requirements. If you want, so requirements of the internet, if you want the internet use, the first one, if you want computer, if you want computer and modem. Computer is a main devices to the use internet access. Next one, modem, telephone line, internet browser, ISP. Is the mostly important is the computer. If before classes, what is a computer? You learn. So computer is an electronic devices. It is mostly powerful and memorable of the computer. That's one thing. In the same of the computer is a fast processor. A lot of the memory is the performed. Like that. If you want computer, what's some of the devices computer, CPU, keyboard, mouse, and monitor. Some of devices. These are all devices including a computer. That's why you already learned even before classes. Is a computer is a what is a computer you mostly use is a faster on the work. Is a faster on the work and far from to the internet browser access. Next one is a modem. Modem is a access of the internet allowed to computer. Modem is access to computer internet access. A modem is a device that allow computer transmits to telephone to your computer or anywhere. So modem means internet access connecting to the your computer. That's one is a modem. There are the in the modem is a functions of the any two words. Modem most important of two words. First one modular of the modem and a demodular of the modem. Modular modem and a demodular modem. Modular modem means is a internal of the access and a demodular is the out of the access. In the is there any of the more of the modems are two types. Modems are two types. First one internal modem. Next one external modem. What is the internal modem? What is the external modem? Internal modem means is attached your memory, is attached your devices, attached in the devices in for the slot in inside in computer, inside in computer access in the inside in a computer access to the modem is called internal memory. And other than of the it is a small of the rectangle devices, some of the rectangle shape of the devices or the attached to out of the attached in CPU. That's one is the external external modem. Internal modem and external modem. Modems are two types. The internal modem and external. Your mobile phone devices if you watch your mobile phone device if you watch if you watch to the memory space, if you want memory space is the ones click here. Two options are here. First one internal storage and external storage. Internal storage is a mobile phone of storage capacity, that is called in mobile phones internet access. External access is the if you want some of put in a memory cards. Memory card one of the example of the external modem. In the board there are two type of the modems, internal modem and external modem. In simple access, internal modem says inner of the access of inner of the attached to modem. External means out of the modem is called external modem. Next one telephone line. If you want third one, if you want the third one requirement telephone line. A telephone line required to the transfer to one computer to another computer. Your internet access one computer to another computer transformed to the telephone line. Third one internet browser. Third one internet browser. Internet browser. So internet browser means some of the access is called internet browser. In the same of the internet browser means access to the information. That's one. Next one ISP. What is ISP? Internet service provider. What is ISP means? Internet service provider. Internet service provider. That's one means ISP. ISP means internet service provider. If you want internet, that's one of the service of organization. That's one service of organization is called ISP. In the if you want any information using their organization to internet access. Organization to the internet access is a use of particular of the internet of the spaces. To us the internet have the party fee of the companies. Fees of company. If you want internet, if you want Reliance internet, of Airtel internet, of any internet, you pay some money. If you give to some of the give to more internet access. Internet access already 5th class learn to the MBs and TB, you know, and 1 GB, 2 GB, 3 GB, and 1 TB, 2 TB, 3 TB. TB means terabytes. That's one. And the some of companies to the pay per fees the access to the internet access. And in the modem of the access, in the modem speed of the modem. So modem to speed. If you want your mobile phone speed, it means measurements of the modem. Measurements of the modem is the kbps, kbps and mbps. Kilobyte per second, kilobyte per second, kbps and mbps. Mbps means megabytes per second. Kilobytes per second, kbps, megabytes per second. Your access to the computer modem speed is a measurement to the kbps and mbps. Computer measurement, computer network access speed measurement, kbps and mbps. Some of the internet services providers our country India is a some of the internet service providers are distributes. First one is a BSNL. BSNL, one of the service provider in India. So BSNL means Bharat Sansar Nigam Limited. Bharat Sansar Nigam Limited. Bharat Sansar Nigam Limited means BSNL. Next one VSNL. 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 Videsh Sansar Nigam Limited. Videsh Sansar Nigam Limited. Next one MTNL. MTNL. MTNL means Mahanagar Telephone Nagar Limited. Mahanagar Telephone Nagar Limited is a three of the our Indian government of the provide to the internet access. Some of the private companies also private of organize some of the access to the service providers in the Jio or BSNL, Airtel, Idea, Vodafone, and some of the browsers are the some of other than private companies. But our government access to the three of the providers to service of the providers. The first one is the BSNL, VSNL, MTNL. BSNL means Bharat Sansar Nigam Limited. VSNL means Videsh Sansar Nigam Limited. MTNL means Mahanagar Telephone Nagar Limited. Mahanagar Telephone Nagar Limited. There are three are the our Indian government are they provide to internet access. Provide to internet access. Some of the internet browsers. First one Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera Mini, Google. And what is the this one of the internet of the browsers? As a internet means internet access. If you want some of the information, some of the organization of the access. Before then, what is the internet browser means? Some of organizers of the collection of the hug of the collection of the information. Collection of the information. That's one of the some of the collection of the information are the Explorer, Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, and Mozilla Firefox, and of the Opera Mini. Some pictures in the watch though, just wait. And some pictures if you watch there, that's one of the browsers of the internet. Just wait. This one of the internet browsers. First one was circulated this one. This for picture. This browser is called Opera Mini. Second one like Compass. That's on Safari browser. And the third one Google Chrome. The fourth one Mozilla Firefox. The fifth one is Google. These of the some of the websites or some of the browsers to internet access. So some of the terms to the related to the internet access. Some of terms is the internet access the most on web page, website and World Wide Web. So what is the related to terms is a web page. What is a web page? Web page means a single page of document. Single page of document is called web page. Single page, only single page is a content of any one picture or any one of the text or any one of the animation or videos, etc. Only single page if you want such, that's one is called web page. For example, if you Gandhiji photo, that's one of the web page. If Gandhiji living together, so that's one of the web page. One of the web page. Web page of the single window. Single window access is called web page. Next one, website. Website is the some of the collections of the web page. Some of the collections of the web page is called website. Some of the some of more than of web pages, all more than of web pages collecting to the one of the site, that's one is called website. Is a web page are collected to the website. Is a more than of the websites are including is called World Wide Web. World Wide Web is a worldwide collections of the memory of the so much of the memories of contain among the information, contain any of more than of the information the all the world and the all the world of the collection of the information in the World Wide Web. The short form is a www dot. That's one www that means World Wide Web. And all there over the all of the our total of the our world, our earth of the information gather the www dot. And the only single of the information gather than web page. And the more of the web pages gather than website. The more of the three of the terms of related to the internet access. Related to the internet access. Is the internet access some of example like your book. First one of the paragraph like a web page. All paragraphs like a one page. That's one page is called website. All pages including one book. That's one of the World Wide Web. Like one of the book. First one paragraph. That's one like page. And one page is called website. All pages including like one book. That's one book is one week your computer book. First lesson. First lesson is one of the first lesson, first paragraph or first of the information. That's one web page. Next one first lesson is called website. And all lessons including in computer book. That's one of the World Wide Web like that. In the three of the terms related to the internet access. So how to internet access? How to use to internet access? If you want any information, you gather them. Any information if you want search them. For example, before then some of the internet browsers are any Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera Mini and Safari. Anyway, if you want some of icons are already watched your pictures. Watched some pictures. That's one picture icon. On desktop on the icon, click the any website. For example, your website is a Chrome is the you are using to browser, that's why if you want information, first one, click on the desktop on browser, Google, Chrome browser, click here. Next, go to one of the pages appearance here. That's one you as you like and as you wish. If you want information, that's one, type here on the web page browser or searching information, if you want some of the any national leaders or any present days corona effect, present days of the corona information, if you want which of country, how many people are corona patients, that's one, like if you want information, that's one, search in the information and go to the information, that's of the information you get. Then that's one. Next one, some persons like that your heroine photos or hero photos of anywhere. If you want like Jhansi Lakshmibai picture, if you want Jhansi Lakshmibai picture, that's why how to picture of the get them. First one, double click on the or single click on the web browser. As which one web browser? Google Chrome web browser, click. That's one of the window appearance here. That's one, searching box are there, one of the searching box are there, this one are there, type here, that's one have the type the Jhansi Lakshmibai pictures, type here, search. Some of the pictures are there, open here, that's why that one of the picture save us, some one of the pictures save it. That's why how to process one picture, how to save a picture. First one, save the picture. First one, click on the picture. First step, click on the picture. Next step one, and right click on the picture. Third option, choose save as options are here. Fourth one, give to file name, that's why on the access OK. Fifth one, OK button, click here, that's one, save your picture. So how to save picture? First one, click on the picture, as you like picture, click on the picture, and next one, right click on the your choosing picture, that's of one of the windows are appearance here. That's one, some of the options are save as option are there using, that's one, save as option are used there, click here, that's of the one of the window has appearance here, that's picture name is a give to one of the page, that's one, give to one Jhansi Lakshmibai picture one, give them, that's one, OK button, click here, your page are the saved. That's why to the one of the browser to the internet access. The internet access is the more of the present days is the present, every people are they depend on, every person depend on internet access. So any information you get, then go to Google, that's on searching information, you learn the information. The present days of the peoples are there more of information gather than internet access. The next class is the learn to the next class email. What is the email? How to email open? How to email of users? What is the email access? You learn next class. Thank you.